Guys, back again with another video for my boosted BRZ. In today's video we're going to be installing a HARROP engineering oil cooler because this car's been boosted for the past year now and we haven't installed an oil cooler yet, so that's the next step to mods on this car. So just follow me through and I'll show you the steps of how to install this oil cooler. The oil cooler I have purchased is a HARROP engineering oil cooler. It comes with this piece here, which has their name stamped on it. Very nice fittings. Everything's black and looks good. And they have a Cetrab. They use a Cetrab oil cooler core, which this one already has the fittings bolted onto it because it was taken off another BRZ before mine. So now we're going to jack the car up and we'll start with the bumper bar coming off first, and we'll work our way through it. So I just set the time lapse up. And now the bumper bar is finally off. And we've got access to the front where the intercooler is. That's where the oil cooler is going to be mounted. I'm thinking around here or here in front of the intercooler. So we're just going to figure out where we're going to mount it and then we're going to start mounting it. There's a few tricky parts to take off the front bumper, which includes these side clips here. It's a bit hard to show you now, but there's actually one clip that goes behind there, one clip that clips behind here, and then the last push-in clip that clips on top. So if I show you this light here, where the tricky part is, so there's the one clip on the bottom here that you have to pick out, one pick on the side that you have to clip out, and then the last clips on the bumper bar itself. So once you clip both of them out, the bumper bar just comes straight out. Also, don't forget to unplug your fog lights so you don't rip them off the bumper bar, because they stay on the bumper bar, as you can see here. So now we're going to mount the oil cooler and then get to putting everything back together, and we'll go from there. So what we've done here, as you can see, while the bumper bar is off, I decided to also paint the intercooler black paint, so just waiting for that to dry so you can have a stealthy look. Now we've taken this bracket off the bottom of the oil cooler that originally came on with it, so we're going to bolt the oil cooler straight onto this hard tray here, bolt it up like that from the bottom, 2 screws here, 2 screws here, and then we put the hoses just through here, through to the oil filter, and then we mount this on top of the oil filter. I'll show you once all the oil cooler is mounted how we mount this up the top. So I'm just going to get through that now. Okay, so we've got the oil cooler mounted on this hard plastic here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put the sandwich plate on top of the oil filter goes. This one right here. So we're just going to simply take off the oil cooler. I've already loosened the oil filter. I've already loosened it. So just off like so. Place it on the floor. And always make sure to lube up the seal under here, which I've already done, just with a little bit of oil. It just sits straight on top. And you screw this on in the position you want. restored. We've got everything tight down. We've got the old oil filter back on just so we can start it up and make sure there's no leaks. And then we're going to do the engine oil service also with the Newland 540 full synthetic racing oil and also a new oil filter. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to make sure there's no leaks. We're going to start it up and we're going to make sure the oil cooler is full of oil. So we'll get to that now. Also, when putting your bumper bar back on, don't forget to put